Hey guys, it's All Terrain Trailers, the new home of the Colorado off-road trailer located in beautiful Boulder City, Nevada. We've got an 8.5 16 here on the ground. This is a brand new 2025, again, 8.5 by 16 with some goodies on it. This is insulated. It does have plywood interior and a few variances as to what you guys have seen in the past. This is still our metallic platinum silver exterior skin, so it's our thicker exterior skin with the blackout package. And this one has our standard tires and wheels on it. This is still the off-road frame, off-road suspension. You've still got 250, 200-pound torsion axles underneath here. This is just got a set of 225, 75 R15 tires on it instead of the 32-inch mud terrains. Those can be added if you guys love this trailer and you still want those, or some of you might just want a nice set of radials to run down the road with. Now, it does have the aluminum roof rack and ladder on it. Great place to throw a rooftop tent. Has some additional storage. We've got our two party lights out here as well, so you've got exterior lighting, exterior GFI outlet, step off your side door. This one does not have the generator box and cover on it. Like I said, this has some variances, but it does still have our nice big 5-foot tongue. So you're going to have a great turning radius with this extended tongue. Exterior GFI outlet, our dual layer flooring with the Nudo down, rubber coin up. And then we've got stabilizer jacks, rear ramp door, and a deck option. So you guys can use this as a deck as well. 7-foot interior height in here. It's going to give us 80 inches from ramp to ground, and then once we clear the spring, you'll be at 84 inches, and then we've got a full 8-foot in width here, so great for UTVs and side-by-sides. Now, insulated walls and ceiling, but it is plywood, so if you guys want to finish this out yourself, you can. We've stained this before, painted it before, or just leave it plywood, a little more durable than what you'll find with the aluminum. We've got some great D-ring tie-down points in here as well, so 3 here at the back, 2 more up front, so great to throw side-by-side in here. Lots of different light switches. This is for your ramp door lights. We've got outlets in here, more switches here to control the exterior. This is also equipped with a battery box and a battery charger. So that battery is running those exterior lights that you guys see that's on. It's running our puck lights as well. And that will allow you guys to have some functionality with this trailer without having to be plugged into any power. Now, no AC unit in here. So this is a great for a builder's model if you guys want to do something different or you don't need AC, but it does still have a nice 12-volt power fan. So you can pull air, push air in and ventilate the trailer, and again, it's 12 volts, so it runs right off that battery. We've got a disconnect here, and then we do have a 30 amp service here as well, so you guys still have some power and outlets and whatnot. The only thing you're really missing with this unit, like I said, is just the AC unit, but with having power and outlets, you guys could plug in a fan, a heater, whatever you want to do there. So really nice overall trailer. Comes with a 3-year factory warranty. Check us out. We're in Boulder City, Nevada, 701 Wells Road, right next to the Hoover Dam. You guys can come visit the Hoover Dam, see us, get your new trailer, and go out for a great adventure. Give us a call or text anytime, 702-715-4610, or check us out online, allterraintrailers.com.